Does your dog have bad breath? I'm Dr. Gary Richter, the head veterinarian at Holistic Veterinary Care, the founder of Ultimate Pet Nutrition and an international best-selling author. And I'm here today to show you some simple ways to improve your dog's breath. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that it's always wise to check in with your veterinarian before trying anything in this video. All right, so to begin, the first thing I would suggest to help reduce your dog's bad breath is to brush their teeth with dog toothpaste. Now, if your dog isn't used to getting his or her teeth clean, you can put some of the toothpaste on your finger and gently rub it on their gums. This will get them used to the feeling of the cleaning process. Once they've gotten acclimated to this type of application, you can transition over to using a Q-tip. From there, you can switch to a Doggy toothbrush like this one, or even any kind of really small toothbrush, be it for dogs or very small people like children. It is important to consider that dogs' teeth go pretty far back in their mouth, so you want to make sure you're brushing all of their pearly whites, even if some of them can be a bit hard to reach. Ideally, you'll want to brush your dog's teeth every day. If you can't quite fit a daily regime into your schedule, a few times a week is still really helpful when it comes to keeping your pup's teeth healthy. Another way to help curb your dog's breath is by making them homemade treats with breath-freshening ingredients. And today I'm going to walk you through a DIY recipe that can help improve your dog's bad breath. To start, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Pumpkin's packed with vitamins like A, C, and E and contains a fair amount of iron and potassium. It's also high in fiber and helps support your dog's digestion. 3 eggs. Eggs are high in protein and can help calm a dog's upset stomach. 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour provides fatty acids and carbohydrates, which can help increase your dog's energy levels and aid in heart and cognition health, as well as promote a healthy skin and coat. 1 apple grated. Apples contain healthy nutrients like vitamin A and C. Now, apples do contain a fair amount of sugar, so they should only be given to dogs in small pieces. Be sure to remove the seeds and the apple core as well. If your dog has a slightly more sensitive stomach, it would also be a good idea to peel the apples before you add them. 1/2 cup of mint leaves chopped. Not only is mint commonly used in gum to help freshen breath, it also helps reduce inflammation. 1/4 cup of fresh parsley leaves chopped. This ingredient contains vitamin K, which can help support your dog's liver health. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent bacteria and germs from expanding in your dog's mouth. This helps keep your dog's breath fresh. Okay, so there are a few kitchen tools you'll need to make this recipe. First, a baking sheet, dog-shaped cookie cutters, a cutting board, a mixing bowl, parchment paper, a rolling pin, and a mixer. First things first, you're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Once you've got the oven going, prep your baking sheet by lining it with some parchment paper. Next, add the pumpkin puree and crack the eggs into the mixing bowl and mix. It should take no more than 2 minutes to blend the ingredients. Once the pumpkin puree and eggs are mixed, add 2 3/4 cups of flour and mix for another 2 minutes. After you've mixed in your flour, add your mint, apple, and parsley and mix once more. After that, set the bowl aside. Next, sprinkle some flour onto a large cutting board and place the dough from the mixing bowl on top. Begin kneading the dough and flatten with a rolling pin to about 1/4 inch thickness. Now, here comes the fun part. Take your cookie cutter and cut out some fun shapes from the dough. Feel free to get creative with the shapes. Today, we're using the shape of a dog bone. We'll place our freshly cut bones onto our baking sheet. Oh, look at that. Stick them in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep in mind that every oven is unique and baking times will vary. All right, it's been about 25 minutes. Let's see if these are ready. Perfection. Once they've cooled, you're ready to feed them to your pup. Now, I have one more suggestion for freshening your dog's breath. Dental chews. As a dog parent, I know finding a good, high-quality dental chew for your pup can be quite the adventure. That's why I created Canine Fresh, my best-selling dental chews powered by natural, premium ingredients. In addition to that, Canine Fresh is completely free of artificial additives, added sugars, and fillers like soy, wheat, and gluten. After all, your dog doesn't need any of these added ingredients. They just need the good stuff that helps support their oral health and wellness. So the next time you're looking for the ideal dental chew for your furry friend, try out some Canine Fresh. I guarantee your dog will jump for excitement at the sound of the bag. Let us know in the comments below if you plan on making DIY dental treats. And if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Ultimate Pet Nutrition to get more tips for pet wellness and nutrition. And remember, your pet's like family, so they deserve only the very best. I'm Dr. Gary Richter. Thanks for watching.